Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Mariam Sajjad from CID News Network with my program Around the World in 60 Seconds. Pakistan celebrates yet another Eid overshadowed by pandemic. Muslims across the country celebrated Eid al-Fitr on Thursday with religious zeal while also observing precautionary measures to curb the spread of coronavirus. Pakistan sincerely supported Afghan peace process. The US chargé d'affaires to Pakistan called on Chief of the Army Staff General Qamar Javed Bajwa here on Wednesday during the meeting matters of mutual interest, overall regional security situation, bilateral cooperation in various fields, fight against COVID-19 and recent developments in Afghan peace process were discussed. Eid Mubarak. Canadian British Prime Ministers wish Muslims globally. As Muslims across the world mark on Thursday the celebration of the second Eid in the midst of COVID-19, the customary embrace and friends and families gathering, the world leaders, including those from the West, wish Eid Mubarak to those celebrating. United Nations fears all-out war between Israel and Palestinians. Heavy exchanges of rocket fire and airstrikes and rioting in mixed Arab towns took place as UN expressed fears Wednesday that deadly conflict between Israel and Palestine could spiral into full-scale war. It has claimed 65 lives in the last 3 days. Japan, Maldives banned travels from India, Pakistan and other countries. They have announced a ban on flights from several countries, including Pakistan and India, in a bid to contain surging COVID-19 infections. Bombs kill 11 Afghan civilians on first day of 3-day ceasefire. At least 11 civilians were killed and 13 others wounded in 4 separate bombings in Afghanistan on Thursday, hours after a 3-day ceasefire began across the country to mark Eid al-Fitr. China's Sinovac COVID-19 vaccine highly effective in health workers. China's Sinovac Biotech COVID-19 vaccine was 98% effective at preventing death and 96% effective at preventing hospitalization among a group of inoculated Indonesian medical staff, a study conducted by the country's health ministry has found. Hajj won't be suspended this year, Saudi minister said. Hajj Baitullah will not be suspended this year as the government in Saudi Arabia is taking all possible measures and fulfilling all respective arrangements to facilitate the Hajj pilgrims, said Deputy Minister of Hajj and Umrah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. This is end of today's international news. Thank you for watching CID News Network, Islamabad.